Okay, on this video we're going to go through the entire process of doing a window. Somebody was shopping on Etsy and wondered if we might have a raven pattern. So Jeannie drew up a little sketch of a raven pattern. There it is. So now I'm going to scan it into the computer. Now, this is an Epson ET2720, and I don't recommend it. I don't like it at all. This one doesn't, you can feed one sheet at a time. It's terrible to print on. Okay, so now starting to scan. Is there a way to crop it? Oh yeah, here it is. Now I'm going to save it. And okay. So now I've got this window with that showing, and now I can open up CAD. I've already opened up a drawing template. Here I am. Now I can grab this guy and bring it right there. And so now what I've got, this is the size that I want to make it, and this is the drawing that you drew. So now I just have to trace all of these pieces, and then when they're traced, I'll drag them over. Okay, so that's all I need to show you right now. Okay, so you know, I took the piece that we scanned in, and then I pulled it into AutoCAD, and I made it so that it was 12 inches wide from here to here. And then I traced the whole thing. Now I've copied all this over to here so you can see it well. And now I've got this set up on my design jet in 24 by 24, and I'm going to set a window. The window I'm setting is here to here. I'm going a 1:1 scale, and I'm going to preview it to make sure that it looks right. Now you'll notice that it's green. The reason I've got it green is because my my black ink cartridge fails me. I don't know why. This is the second one I put in, and both of them have been bad. So if I go in with a green, it's mixture of colors, and it shows up. So I've got it printing now. Now when this comes out on Etsy, the person will have it, and it'll be in 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper and have to tape it together. But for here in the studio, we've got a full size, and now I'm going to take it out to the shop and we'll make the pattern, and then we'll start building this thing. Well, we have a couple of pieces that are quite small, and I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with those.
So I'm working on this crow. The reason that I know it's a crow is because a raven has a more pointy tail, and that's what I did. We did it first, but then the fellow says a crow has a more flat tail, and so I flattened up his tail a little bit. Hopefully now he looks like a crow. And also he wanted his mouth open, so it's going to be some teeny little pieces there to open up his beak. But
Right.
it'll be cool.
Okay, so this is a crow.
Yes.
And the one we're putting up on Etsy that's square, it almost looks identical, but it's a raven because of the
Because
pointed
of the
tail.
Yes.
Okay.